Welcome to Smart Finance with Yemi. There is a secret rule of wealth that nobody teaches. Money doesn't flow to effort. Money doesn't flow to intelligence. Money flows to exchange energy. Today I introduce a brand new financial law. Fire the Wealth Energy Exchange Law. This law states, your income is directly limited by the amount of value energy you can circulate and receive. Many people block wealth not because they fail, but because they can't exchange energy at higher levels. Medium White Star Section 1. What is energy in money? Energy is motion value. Every skill has energy, every service has energy, every product has energy, every idea has energy. Money is simply the measuring tool of how fast and how much energy moves through you. If energy enters slowly, income stays small. Leaves slowly, income stays limited. Remains stuck, poverty forms. Medium White Star Section 2. The three energy states of people. Full battery state 1. Drained energy state signs. Always tired, no mental focus, inconsistent income, emotional burnout, constant struggle. Money avoids drained systems. Gear hash state 2. Balanced energy state signs. Stable routines, equal effort, and earning, just surviving financially. This is where most people stay, exchanging micro energy for micro money. Rocket state 3. Amplified energy state signs. Strong branding, digital leverage, clear systems, high income potential. This is where one action powers thousands of results. Medium White Star Section 3. WHY energy exchange controls wealth. Wealth grows when your output value exceeds your personal energy costs. Poor people trade. Hours money. Wealth builders trade. Systems money. Your income explodes when white right pointing backhand index. Your energy output is scalable. White right pointing backhand index. Your work reaches thousands. White right pointing backhand index. Your ideas create compounding returns. Medium White Star Section 4. The 4 rules of the Wealth Energy Exchange Law. White have a checkmark. Rule 1. Energy must multiply. No repeating effort. No big wealth. Your work must scale beyond your personal time. White have a checkmark. Rule 2. Energy must flow. Money avoids blocked systems. Perfectionism, fear, waiting, inconsistency. Flow beats perfection. White have a checkmark. Rule 3. Energy must compress. Turn hours into systems. Content products, coaching platforms, automation. Compress your value delivery. White have a checkmark. Rule 4. Energy must recycle.